And I greet all of you who are following Elia. First of all, I greet beloved Father YAHVAH. And I greet as well my beloved YAHOSHUA. And for those who appreciate the love and those who really love YAHOSHUA, and obviously the small lambs of YAHOSHUA, I wish all of them to arrive in the heaven of heaven. You are already there, but keep the possession, don't lose it anymore, but you are already there. We are here again at this moment with Elia, so that you can listen to the words and everything you need to know. At the age of this ending, we are here again at this moment with Elia, so that you can listen to the words and everything you need to know. At the age of the end, because we will enter the reality. How about that, ending everything, ending the last preparation, because we will enter the reality. What is the reality? We will see what is the reality. That the reality is, it's the accomplishment of the words. Let's begin with the situation around the world. We can see that together. The war between Iran and the American. I have explained that to you, that American has the first power in this world. You humans, you don't deny that. According to you humans, he is the first power in this world. That's right. According to your perspective, according to what you can see, that's right. And no one denied that. However, your point of view is wrong when Elia is speaking. It's not according to your point of view anymore, that it's according to what Elia is speaking, according to what we are speaking. We can say it together. If you really follow American, they don't know what to do. They can't defeat Iran, because Elia said that you can't defeat Iranian, you American. And we can see that together, that it's a problem for American, that war. It creates a problem for President Trump and a problem for the government. And it creates problem around the world. And really, it creates the division of European. This try them to be one again, because Russian and the others are laughing at them, and they strive to be together. However, Elias said that you cannot defeat Iranian, and as well NATO must be destroyed and you will be divided. That is the order of Elia from the one who sent Elia. You, Elia, come on. The words, the order of the God of Abraham that everybody hates, but you will see about him. You must know that humans, who is the God of Abraham, who said Elia, that you, all of you, underestimate until now. You can underestimate that. You have done that. That you will remember all of the words of Elia. Listen to the teaching, and that's why I motivate the small lambs. Listen to the teaching again. Mainly who have been baptized recently, don't say that. Our teaching is from this number. You already know that there is no teaching anymore. It's not frequently that there's the teaching, because it's not about the teaching anymore. It's really another thing. The teaching, you can see it on the internet. So check those teaching. You really need those teaching. Don't say that I know from this number. So if you say that, you just receive 3 or 4 teachings. Is it enough for you that you will bring in the place you will go? You have heard my word that it depends on the teaching that you can go. And that's why I'm really strict with that teaching. Take the teaching, because that is the book of Elia. It's like the book of apostles. They were allowed to write that I have told you. I will not write that the book of Elia is in your hand. I don't say it's an order for you who have been baptized recently. Take all teachings, that it's better. Listen to those teachings. Listen to those teachings, because you don't have enough teachings. Even you, that teachings is really required. It's really needed. I don't say the old teachings. Yeah. What I want you to listen to it again, it's the teaching from number 1 to 171. That is the part 1, part 2 after that, and the part 3, listen to those teachings again. You really need those teachings. For example, when you are free, listen to the teaching. Continue listening to the words. In case you will be lower than the people who were before. They really know and they are informed that you are not informed. You can't follow, but it's better to know and follow it well, in case you will not, you will be deceived. But I have told you, don't trust anyone anymore, because people's family become their enemies. Or if your family will become your enemies, who will you trust? It's better to always trust in Elia and trust in Elia's words, because Elia's words is from YAHOSHUA, and always follow the words. It's not that without those teachings, and it's not good. It's better to watch and listen to those teachings again. If you will not watch or listen to it again, you will be lower than it will be lower when something will happen. So it's really better to listen to those teachings again. It's just a parenthesis, but let's come back to our topic. It's not according to your humans thinking anymore. That it's according to how we set it. We set it because it's time for taking revenge. It's time for the messing up from above. That's why all above there, it's really messed up. Even the way how airplanes are taken off, that's a problem, right? Let me tell you step by step, because if I will not tell it step by step, you will not follow it. So what do I mean with that? I mean the words is being fulfilled. That this world say that American cannot defeat, as Elia said. For example, he's the protector of Israelian. If it's because of Israelian who motivated them to fight, that's why they fought with Iranian. The question is, why at the moment we are speaking, they do the blockade of the sea, but they cannot attack it directly. It just block. It means you are weak. If you do that blockade, if you are the most powerful, you just block it. You do just blockade. You know that you cannot defeat them anymore, and you don't dare to attack them directly, and you just block. So it means the war of the weak, the combat of the weak. It's those who are weak that they just block. You don't dare attacking them directly. You see, everybody can see that American cannot attack Iranian directly. He can do that if Elia didn't speak. He can really do that. And everyone has told that European news, national news, that Iranian is destroyed. And Donald Trump has said that African civilization will be disappeared. He really said that. He made that statement, and this world was waiting for that. But it's only Elia who said that. Will you challenge Elia? President Donald Trump, will you challenge Elia? Because Elia said you can't do that. So will you challenge Elia? It's just like that, but I didn't speak to you. But I remember the picture, the words of the President Donald Trump that really challenges Elia. That it's Elia who is speaking, and he knows that the people are thinking about him in Israel. Israel, they can hear me, but they don't want to listen to me. They don't care. It's they're always following their false gods. They don't follow the God of Abraham. Oh, we don't talk too much about that because that is not a problem. We don't convince anyone with words anymore. We will see what will happen. It's about using authority. Who is the real owner of this planet Earth? Who does belong to this planet Earth? Who is the real owner? And the son of the owner is here. The one who inherits his honor is here. And the younger brother of the owner is here. The younger brother of Yahushua, his name is Zadiah Elia. He is here. It means the owner is here. That is Elia. Because when one area is stolen by anyone else, and the son of the owner will become there to prove with the paper, and it's like that. That is happening here. The son of the owner is here and tell you it's not you, the owner, and this earth must follow what the owner decided. So the real owner is arrived here. And the owner, he must order his inheritance. That's what I don't like humans, but what to do? It must be like that. It's not what you like, it's what you don't like. What my dad YAHVAH likes that you have underestimated, you didn't care. YAHOSHUA was here to save that you kicked him. That his beloved younger brother is here. Elia is his name for this world, to go around this world, to establish justice on this earth. As according to what is told He will not shout or cry that. He will establish justice. What kind of justice is already established here? You must go through that justice. There is no solution anymore. Let's read the passage. Maybe it's in the book of Isaiah. What is it? Let me check it. That I don't remember it anymore. Isaiah chapter 42. Verse 1. Let's begin with the verse 1. From the verse 1. Here is my servant, whom I uphold, my chosen one in whom I delight. I will put my spirit on him, and he will bring justice to this nation. There's no explanation of that, it's already done. But let's see the next passage. Verse 4. He will not falter or be discouraged till he establishes justice on earth. That is the verse 4. And in his teaching is the island will put their hub. We don't talk about that anymore. It's already done. That about how he establishes the justice on earth. There is no justice on this planet Earth anymore, that everybody does whatever they want on this planet Earth. They do what they want. So because of your foolishness, humans, and Elia is getting in stage. Mr. Donald Trump, the President of America, he doesn't know that, but I've told him, if you had listened to me, you wouldn't have done your foolishness. I'm speaking to him because he's the leader on this planet Earth. That for Elia, I'm always talking to the leader on this planet Earth. Like Elia was in Israel, he talked to Ahab, the king. And now Elia is here again, and I am talking to the one, to the leader, because he's going to establish the justice on this planet Earth. And it means it's not the justice you are doing, humans. Who says that? There is justice in here. You, all of you, you do your foolishness. All of you, humans. So the justice must be established. And how it will be done? What kind of way the justice will be established? And you will see the next situation, the next story. You will see that Elia is just speaking. You must follow the words of Elia. I have told this in the church, because I will not tell it here because it was just a special for the Muslims of Yahushua and those who listen to the internet. There are many words that I have told you, but I just sum up today. If you had listened to Elia, you, the President Donald Trump, President of America, because I have told you. Let me say that who told him? Don't care that someone told him. If you had listened to the ambassador of Yahushua, Ziadia Elia, you would have done your foolishness and you took decision as I have told you. It's like this, you should go. That, however, you humans, you didn't listen to our words, you humans. And that's why we say that we don't listen to you anymore as well, but we have advised you. If I didn't advise you, that's a mistake. That you know the wrong thing, and you should have told us. Elia has told you. There is no 42 will say that he didn't say. Then nobody listened. And that's why it's like this, the situation. We have told you. Your way will be difficult if you enter the situation, but nobody listened to me. And you may say that you are living in Madagascar, Elia, and how is that possible in America? That is us humans. You can ask him if you dare while he has problems at the moment. And you will see the next story. It's just a discussion that we are talking. And the honor of the earth is here. And the honor he is speaking. The honor of the earth and the heaven and in the visible and in the invisible. Our words must be accomplished. It's not your words. It's our words. And our words must be accomplished since the creation of your planet Earth and the heaven above your head. It must be fulfilled. And Eliah is here to accomplish those words. Eliah that you hate. No one likes me. No one likes me. Since the beginning, everybody, they persecute me. Even while I was here, they persecute me, and till now they persecute me. I don't care that. Even my elder brother, when he was here, he was persecuted as well. That our words must be accomplished now. That is the first proof. Donald Trump cannot defeat Iranian. Donald Trump, the president of America, and what is happening now that they are running out of weapons, but the situation is gonna be strange. And they say that Iran is a small one, that they cannot attack him, they cannot defeat him. And I have told you that you, American, you are touching the heart of Russia. When you touch Iran, even Iran, you cannot defeat him. And how will you do with Russia? You cannot do that. I have told you, you cannot do anything. You are at the point that you cannot come back anymore. It's like that. I have told you that you didn't listen to the words. And who said that? It's like that. I have told you that if you didn't listen to the words, the situation will be sad. And it's like that, the situation, it's really difficult. And I may say that, why don't you speak to him directly? I'm already speaking. Those who want to listen to me, they can hear me. But it's in Malagasy language, but when translation will be there, they can hear what I meant. There is no one who can escape from our words. You humans, there is no one who can escape from our words. All of our words will be accomplished to the letter with comma and apostrophe. It must be accomplished since the creation of this planet Earth. The words of the prophet who were the pioneer of Eliah, and Eliah is ending the story and to accomplish all words. That is the meaning of the words, don't sin anymore. That is really meaningful, that you hate, where you can find the force. That is the creator, the one who said, don't sin anymore. That is not good for you humans, but it's really good for the small lambs of Yahushua who will go to the heaven of heaven. And they're really happy to see what is happening. That is really wonderful. It's really a lot. That's right. It's time for taking revenge. There is no long discussion anymore. How about this? How about that? All the words is executed. That is the first situation. You can see today the division between European. You can see the situation, the case of American. They imposed a sanction to Russia, but Russia, they didn't care. And it's only American who removed that sanction. About petrol, if Madagascar doesn't have relation with Russia, there is a problem about their petrol in Madagascar. Even America, they explore petrol and gasoline in their country, but they still have problems about petrol in their country. But for us, we still have. Because they know and they follow the words of Eliah before. You have two choices. Either you want to be with European and the others, but your way will be difficult. because you already know European who cannot go far away anymore. I have told you that. American who govern European, or you will be with Russia that now has the best, so you will be with the best. And we can see the situation together. In Madagascar, they chose to be with Russia. So the question, whose words they are following, or it's just a coincidence, we don't care about that. For Elia is for this world. Listen to the words. But there is a words that has been given to you, so know how to listen to the words. And we can see the picture. Everyone, they are messed up. For example, the national news in Africa, that is messed up. Militaries getting stage, as I have said, there. Army is taking the position as a president to lead the country, as I have told you. Africa must be with God, like Arabs must be with God. There is no solution there. They must be with God. As I have told you, everybody must be Muslims, but if you don't want to be Muslims, you will be killed by Muslims. That is the situation on your planet Earth. Maybe you want to be in peace. There is no peace anymore. I have told you. I have made 20 declarations that you don't care. But just see how the words are accomplished. Those 20 declarations, those are being fulfilled to the letter. Declaration of Elia from that YAHVAH. Those are being fulfilled to the letter. There is no one will not be accomplished. And you cannot say that let's hide in this situation. You cannot do that. You cannot escape from the words. You cannot do anything. Those who will escape, they will be hate. But you cannot do anything. I'm laughing at Elon Musk that there is a problem on this planet Earth. That let's run away. Let's run away on the planet, the right planet above there. They're the source of the problem, and those problem above that is coming down on this planet Earth, and that's why it's like this. What is happening on here? Maybe you are thinking that you will find peace again. That doesn't exist on your planet Earth anymore. That's why I've told you, come on praying, come on worshiping, call Jesus, call Allah, call Brahma, call Vishnu, call Buddha, call all of your false god on the 12 mountains and 150 mountains, call of your false god to fight against to get off Elia. My God is already speaking, and come on, going against to his words. I am already speaking. The temperature of the planet Earth is increased because it's really the fire inside your planet Earth that we increase. We burn that. We have told you it's us who's doing that. Who are doing that? Our God who sent us. We say it because we are sent by him. We told you the truth. You say that let's change the car into an electric car so that there is no greenhouse effect, and the earth will become hot, the ozone layer destroyed, and the sunlight will burn us. It's been a long time that there are cars on the planet Earth that before there's nothing that happened. But the honor of your planet Earth is in here to establish justice because you didn't do that, and the honor is here to establish justice, and that Elia is going to establish the justice. He is the pioneer of the real one who will establish the real justice. YAHOSHUAH will come to put and establish that justice, and his beloved younger brother is here to be his pioneer to establish that justice, because none of you established that justice. Is the mind of the devil that you follow on this planet Earth, the mind of the devil that make you mess up, but you didn't listen to the truth. So All of your authority on this planet Earth is removed. None of you is the honor. The authority is ours for that YAHVAH. And the pioneer of the real honor who will establish justice is here to restore you. That's clear. Because the justice must be established. And when the justice will be established, the one who will do that must come here. And that's why there is no solution you will find anymore. For example, it's just recently the Russian, they got sanctioned from USA, that suddenly a few months after that they removed the sanction, and Russia was laughing. It's like toy of the kids are playing. That is the words of Elia. You cannot fight against him. You're just tired that they always find a solution. Those who are fighting against them, they feel dizzy and they're lost. That they don't care about that. It's not the beast that is leading Russia. But I have given him 1 year and a half that he will abandon his position as president. So after 1 year, he must give up on his position, because it's a few months that I have said that. You must give up on your position, Vladimir Putin. So do the last things you can do, but there is no solution anymore. So I have told you, look at the situation. And the small lambs of Yahushua, they are watching that situation together, and they know that together. Where is the words of Elia according to this situation? American didn't know what to do, and the dangerous thing, American will go attack in Cuba. They must go there if they like or if they don't. It's really a big foolishness, and you must fight against Russia. That Cuba, you cannot touch him. You cannot attack him. There was the kid that they were about to fighting against Russia in 1970. There was a big problem. Maybe it was in the era of Fidel Castro. I don't really remember because it's been a long time. It's like that situation. It was really bad at that moment. Nuclear war will be begun at that time. Then there was the Cold War. Then now it's not a Cold War anymore, but it's really a warm war. Because you humans, you must go to your foolishness, and the justice will be established. That's why Elia is here, to establish that justice, to be the pioneer of the real justice. That is Elia, to establish that justice and to tell your wrongdoings, what you are doing, humans on this planet Earth. Because according to you, your leader is President Donald Trump. That's why I'm always speaking to him. If you had listened to, and you would haven't gone in this wrong way. And everybody gets ready. How is the division of European? They are divided. They try to be together, but they can't anymore. And what is so dangerous that each of them, they have revenge on each other. American, they have revenge with NATO because NATO didn't help America with the war with Iran. They asked for help. It means Iran is so strong, but he is not so strong. That is the words of Elia. There is no Chinese will be in peace. There is no area will be in peace on this planet Earth. The peace is removed from you. That doesn't exist anymore. Don't think about that anymore. It's just a dream for you humans. That peace that doesn't exist anymore. don't think about that anymore. Even my advice, how will you protect yourself? Think about that. I advise you all president around the world, even Madagascar's president, know how to protect yourself, because there is no solution anymore. No solution anymore. Because this situation is not fair anymore. The friendship is really removed. It's like that, the situation that is happening, and that's why I advise you, for all of you. There was time, I don't remember, I said, don't be a member of the government. I'm talking about people around the world, that it's really difficult. Kingdom against kingdom, that will be accomplished to you. So you will never be in peace. You will enter the place that you will have many worries, that if you like fighting, it's really good for you, because you will fight. And when you will fight, those who kill someone with a sword, they will be killed with a sword. Those words will be accomplished. Those who killed with the sword, they will be killed by a sword. Those who kill with a gun, they will be killed by the gun as well. There is no solution anymore. Those who killed with a cannon, they will be killed by a cannon as well. And see, it's like that, the division of European NATO. NATO, they have Christian, American. It's not like that. It's you who opened that war. There is no one who said, come on, fighting. That NATO, their goal is to protect Israel, and they have that goal. That's why they protect Israel when someone touch Israel. But today, Israel, get ready, you will be attacked. That's really near. All women will be raped. That's why Elias said, if you can, women in Israel, get away from Israel, that those Arabs, they're really angry with you. When they will attack you, all of you women will be pregnant by all Arabs, from the youngest to the oldest women. None of you can escape. That's why I told you I am really sad about the situation. How poor is the nation that YAHVAH chose, but they underestimate that YAHVAH. Until now, they don't care. It's like what happened in Noah's time. There was no sign that the flood would be coming. Now I am speaking that they don't care. They still underestimate. So let's continue that. It's like what happened in Noah's time about that flood. No one expected. They underestimated. How about the sheep? Oh, there is no rain. Noah said, come on, enter the ship bed. The flood will be coming. And they said that the weather is good. What are you thinking? The other place, they didn't hear that and they didn't care. But it's only Noah who said the flood will be coming. But when Noah made his family enter, who were following them? It's the animals. The animals had more sense than humans. It's like that, the situation. Sinners are not loved by God, but people prefer to be a sinner in this world. They prefer to be sinners. That's why there is no words for you that it's in the internet. It's words like this that I gave you. There are few teachings about what is happening. It's to make you aware, those who are looking for the God of Abraham, but you don't know, and to make the flames of YAHOSHUA stand firm. See what is happening to Israelian. They really chased around the world, the kingdom around the world. They are forced to give an order to protect Israelian in their land because the others they kill Israelians. And what is happening? I don't know if it's the government or Benjamin Netanyahu who made a statement. This president, Donald Trump, is the last president who will protect us. It's them who say that, as Elias said, it's time to end your story, Israelian. It's time to end your story. Because you really did your foolishness, wrongdoings to their YAHVAH. All of your foolishness, false God, you allow them to enter your land, your nation. Even your nation is the nation of that YAHVAH, particularly for that YAHVAH, but you allow everybody to enter your nation. That is their punishment. If you are punished, automatically you do foolishness, so that YAHVAH is really angry at the maximum. No one can move. The situation is really sad, and that's why they rush attacking Cuba, because there is Hezbollah. They are fighting against everyone because all around them, they are afraid of them. Because Arabs will enter to attack them. It's not only Arabs will enter Israelian, but don't you know, Russia will lead them. That's why Russia and Arabs, they cannot separate. Iranian is the first leader of Arabs. That's why they shot all Arabs who are with American. They shot them. Russia and Iranian, they're really together. That's why I tell you the words of Eliah are being fulfilled, because Eliah is here. And Eliah is here to give you an accurate thing. This is like this, the one is like that. So that is the proof. The words are being fulfilled. Where in this world that the leader of United Nations is weak? Maybe it's Mr. Antonio Guterres. That NATO should be strong-headed. So you see, it's not normal anymore. Even the language that they are speaking, that's not normal anymore. United Nations, they make peace. There are people that they are saying that the United Nations, they are really weak. That this world, they fight. Who said that when two nations, they want to fight, and United Nations can't do anything? It just make peace. If he makes peace, that if they don't want to follow their pace, they cannot do anything. They cannot enter the situation. It's you humans who did that. So don't mumble with that. Everything is getting changed. Your story is really twisted because all of you are fed up. Because you want to sin, and this is the result of your sins. Get ready. It's our turn to watch you. It's you who wanted to fight against your creators you didn't listen to. And the real one will come you can't support. Just a few moments left. When Vladimir Putin Vladimirovich will abandon his position as a president next year, he will not be the president anymore. You don't think about your mandate anymore. There is no mandate you will do anymore. And so if you don't abandon your position, you'll be killed automatically. Those who know how to transfer that to him, come on. So that is as we are just talking. This is the real situation. Just like that. I'm just speaking. So in front of those things, if this word is ongoing and no one can stop it, the owner of this world is here. YAHVAH, YAHVAH, the God of Abraham according to you, the creator of the earth and the heaven and all universe around the visible and the invisible. That a universe is not one. That is really uncountable. That is the creator. How do you think about that? That is just your earth that he created, even is the smallest. How large is the universe above that you don't see that? Your Hubble that you were boasting, he cannot see anything. Think about that. Let's continue the words. What do you mean, Elia? I mean, to make the small lambs stand firm. You have seen how the words are accomplished, so stand firm. For all of you foreigners in the other nations, you didn't listen to my words. Don't do what Madagascar's did. Listen to my words if you can. Madagascar, they didn't listen, but even they spoke harshly. Don't do that. The words is already gone to you, that there is no teaching that I will give you anymore. The teachings are already on the internet if you wanna watch. But when something will happen to you that you cannot support anymore, call Elia. I've given you the message that you don't like listening to Elia. That is Elia. But you will look for Elia. He is the younger brother of the creator of the earth, and you will look for him, because I was here. Both of us were here during your creation. But that you don't like that. What you don't like that we tell you. What you don't like, not what you like anymore. It's what you don't like that we give it to you. We will never give you what you like. It's another thing we are doing. It's like that the situation. We will never give you what you like, humans. It's what you don't like that we give you. Because the good has been given to you, that you lose it. The bad that you like, and we give you. So, thanks the next time. If you can, if you still can think, that is really difficult. That's why I'm telling you about the situation that is happening. Think about that. Let's enter with the temperature of the planet Earth. Because you were thinking that it's because of the smoke of cars, pot, or people. It's been a long time that there was smoke. The cars before, they produced lots of smoke. Then now there is restrictions there. When your car produces lots of smoke, you cannot drive it. So that your car is restricted not to produce lots of smoke anymore. Aren't you conscious, or leaders around the world? Aren't you conscious? You have reduced the smoke, but the temperature of your planet Earth is getting increased. It's so simple. Let me explain it. Your planet Earth, there are two main things that cool it down. And I explain it to you around the world. When you translate it tomorrow, explain it well. That I want those experts to know this and listen to this. They don't know anything. Their education is really nothing. There are two main things that cool down your planet Earth. The one is from above, and the another is on this planet Earth. Let me talk about the first one above. But that one is the first element that created that flood. One element that created the flood. One element that created, that brought the flood on this planet Earth. One tool you cannot see, humans. Only those who are from the heaven of heaven, like Elia, who know that. Obviously, the angels and the armies of the heaven of heaven. Devils, they know as well, because they are from the heaven of heaven and they know that. However, they cannot see that anymore, because that is for that YAHVAH. Only what that YAHVAH likes to see, that they can see it. And there is something that is flying above. Its name is Kwafenso. And that Kwafenso, he set a layer fienso above your head. It's above your ozone layer. You cannot see that with your beam, with your authority, because it's special that YAHVAH who set it. And that Kwafenso who put water in the space. You say that it's because of warm and cold that created the water. Yeah, we can say that when we heat water and it boils, there is water that who does cool down above there in that space, because in the empty there is no temperature. And let me say, how is that? Because there is the empty, there is no temperature. So you say that you feel cold, so that is your feeling, you feel cold. But when you get above, the temperature is really different. You say what you know, but if you go above, you will see a rain that rise up, not fall down. Your Hubble cannot see that. There is rain that is rising up, not falling down. Just a discussion. Let me say, it's a crazy discussion. Yeah, when we are talking, you are always saying that it's the crazy horror speaker. Yeah, crazy one that you don't know anything. You don't know anything. So let's continue the words. What is the words? It's my words. I will not read a book, but it's my words. And that tool that pours water, ice water, cold water on North Pole and South Pole. It's always South Pole that get more. And that water is really cold, so that it can cool down our planet Earth. And that's why above there it's messed up, because that Kwafenso doesn't pour water regularly anymore, but it's a block of thing that it poured. And as I have told you, the hell will be 40 kilograms, and now you have seen the hell. It's like the size of your palm, your hand. So if it's a small hell that will fall down your head with that speed, it's like the small glass, like a small glass of kids. When it will hit your head, it's dangerous. And how about when it's like your hand, the size of that hell? About 40 kilograms of hell will come. So that is the system above your head is really messed up. Therefore, thunder will be exploded. During the day there is no rain, and the thunder will chase you. And that is really sooner. That will happen sooner. Really, a disturbance that will happen. Because that was stopped. And as a result, it's really messed up. That is just a sample that I told you. That when nothing serves water to your planet Earth anymore, automatically your planet Earth is getting hot. There is no fianso layer anymore. You say the ozone layer there. It's not like that. That's not real. If you can check it, check that fianso layer that filter the sunbeam. But that layer that is getting thinner. Before it was thicker, then now it's getting thinner. Tell your expert who can go to the moon and the red planet, tell them to search for that if they can. But that exists. That's why there is always water on the North Pole and the South Pole. But when that Kwafenso didn't pour water anymore, even the fianso layer is getting thinner. and the water in the South Pole and the North Pole, those are gonna be removed. Now they made a statement about that ice flow. The ice flow in France, it's getting melted. The block of ice in France, I haven't gone there, but ice flow is getting melted. That is dangerous. The ice, it's getting melted. It's balanced the temperature on your planet Earth. That cool down your planet Earth. So the thing that cooled down your planet Earth, that is getting melted now. That is the situation. And what is happening in the background? We increase the temperature of the planet Earth. You cannot see that with your eyes, but it's special for the Creator. It's really the Creators who increases your planet Earth's temperature with their messenger. That is the order of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. There was time I have taught you that in the teaching, because your planet Earth is special and it's connected. Well, it is connected to the sun, and the sun is like a tube. The creation of the black hole, according to you, that it's an invisible energy. That is the real one, an energy that is so highly maximum, and that energy that is in your sun, it's not around your sun, but it's like a coordinate, but you will never see that, because you will never reach that place. How is it possible you will arrive there? No, you can go there if you want to close that, but get ready to die. That's simple. And there is no real picture you will see. That's really impossible. That sun, that is communicating with that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, particularly because that is special for the earth, because YAHOSHUA really likes your planet Earth. That's why he created that special sun, and that is connected to your planet Earth. Because without that sun, your planet Earth is really cold and you cannot live. No one can live here. The land is just one third, but to see it's 2/3. Your land is really small. So without the sun, your planet Earth is really cold. No one can live here. Mainly the coffee and so poor to cold water. It can reach until -200 degrees Celsius. It's like that the situation. So I tell you that there must be something to warm your planet Earth. That is the balance, hot and the warm. And there is a fire inside your planet Earth. And I must say, how we can see the one who increased that fire. That is the authority of that YAHVAH. You cannot see that. If you arrive in that area, humans, you will disappear. It's easy to disappear in the Bermuda Triangle, that you enter that area that exists on our planet Earth. I don't say it's large, but it's really difficult, because that YAHVAH will never let you to pass through that. In case that YAHVAH will let you to die in that area, those airplanes. But even those airplanes, they know there is an area that dangerous, but if you want to die, you pass through that. But that exists, and that is entering your planet Earth, and it's automatically connecting to the sun from above, connecting with the sun to your planet Earth. That's really big, not small. It's large. And that is a field that you cannot enter humans that exist in your atmosphere. Even pilots, they really know that there is an area that they cannot fly by. In case they will disappear That is one area that the sun connects with the fire inside your planet Earth. And inside your planet Earth, there is one area, it's called the hell. Only in that area that is inside your planet Earth, that is the only one that can kill the soul. And that YAHVAH sent soul to be killed there, because it's only in here that creation betrayed. The other universe, they didn't betray. And when devils killed your planet Earth, and the devils, your friend, will be killed here inside your planet Earth, inside the hell. And that is one place inside your Earth. That is a burning fire that has authority to kill soul. Only there souls can be killed. Eliaswell has authority to kill humans. And I must say, how about that? Don't joke. That's simple. And don't enter with that bad situation. But if you are looking for the troubles, it's you who are looking for that. Let's forget it. But that fire that we increase at the moment, it's really increased, and YAHOSHUA increases it little by little until you will complain that you don't have any authority humans. That's why I've told you, pray from now on, do fasting food, call Vishnu, Brahma, Allah, Buddha, or false God, call them, gather them. That is already ongoing, that situation, it's already ongoing. That's why there is a crazy war on how that is happening on this planet Earth. What is this situation? All experts there in rush, and animals, they kill humans because they feel that warm. When the earthquake is going to happen, the animals, they hear it firstly, and they run away, but they don't know where to run away. When there is danger from the sea, the animals, they come out of the sea. That is the sign of danger. Because the sea becomes hot now, and the animals, they come out of the sea. Really, this world is messed up, and as a result, it's really a disorder. For example, the airplanes, North Pole, South Pole, it's not normal anymore. There is a delay and a difference about that warm inside your planet Earth, because that balance the warm of the planet, the North Pole and the South Pole, and they say that that is the force of the iron in the North Pole, and it attracts the compass automatically. And who said that that iron is not there anymore? No one has explored that. That's why it's you who said it's not normal, the needle of the compass anymore, and you need to adjust this, and after you don't know it anymore, because it's the force of the worm. It's getting increased, and the quality of what is inside your planet Earth is changed. And when it is changed, our foolishness, even your compass cannot control itself anymore. It's just an example that I give you. So what you can do, humans? What you can do? What can you do? What do you know? Elia is laughing at you. Come on, being strong-headed, stop our words. You who are expert, stop cyclone if you can. Just a cyclone, if you can, stop it. You are really funny. You cannot do anything anymore. But that is it. That is it for today. I wish you, for the small names of YAHOSHUA, to stand firm till the end. for the others, the other nation, to be conscious, to think. You cannot do anything anymore with the words. The words are being fulfilled and you cannot stop it anymore. Think about that. Each of you. The wise see the danger and they take shelter, but the fool keep going and they face the consequences. Think about your way. Know what to do, each of you. It's time to think now. Where will you go? That is it. So, that is it for the small names of Yahushua. Stand firm for the other nations except Malagasy. Know where to go. There is no solution anymore. It's like the President Donald Trump. He doesn't know what to do anymore. He's really hesitating what to do, but he doesn't know. There is no leader, president. It's not like that, the situation. The words are accomplished and fulfilled. You cannot do anything anymore. Those who say that they are in peace, they will be messed up at the maximum. There is no solution anymore. That is the words. We'll continue that next time. I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua. Let's pray. Thank you very much, beloved Father YAHVAH, for that word. I ask you, our hearts, minds, thinking will come back to you. They will know that you are the creators and your words must be accomplished, and you have given a sign that no one can stop. And all words that has been declared must be accomplished, and the others already accomplished. Just a sign. The end is here. Beloved Father YAHVAH, justify your words. Glory be to your name. And make your goodness will be seen, so that they will know you are the creator, you are the savior. The distraction will begin. Distraction will begin. Pestilences will enter. Distraction is getting entered. They cannot stop that anymore. That YAHVAH, you have planned everything, and now it's time for that. Quicken everything. Even we are in a hurry to go home. Beloved Father YAHVAH, to go into your arms. Glory be to you forever. In your name, Yahushua, that I make that prayer. Hallelujah. Amen. So that is our moment for today. I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua, our next meeting. Goodbye.